Hello everyone, this is Ahalya Devi Adpa studying in Carmi Institute of Technology and Sciences. My registration number is URK20CS3028. Here is my experimental record work 4 of IoT. The question is how to connect a keypad to Arduino board. Now let's jump into the workplace called Tinkercad. This was the workplace. I have already made the circuit diagram. Now let's see the components required. Arduino board, keypad, the connections. We have 4 pins for rows and 4 pins for columns. Connect these 8 pins to digital pins of the Arduino board. This is the circuit diagram. Now let's jump into the coding part. This was the coding part. In coding part we have 2 functions. One is setup function and the other one is loop function. In setup function, initialization of variables, digital pins, unlock pins, etc. takes place here. In loop function, for continuous or repeating a function or a process for several times, those are kept in the loop. So this was the loop function. And here at the beginning, the key maps, which row is connected to which digital pin and which column is connected to which pin were written here. Then this is the coding part. Before starting the simulation, open serial monitor to see what we type. Now start simulation. Click on any digits or letters and symbols. You can see them in the serial monitor. So this is the circuit we have made. Thank you so much.